What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Whew. That was a lot. All right, now listen, guys. I woke up, brushed my teeth, put some Vaseline on my lips, and guys, I was able to, number one, sell about 5 of these to make some profit from OfferUp. And I also was able to start a new journey with a wholesale seller. And I want to take you guys on that journey and actually show you guys exactly what it looks like for you to be dealing with a wholesale seller. Now, this wholesaler knows me from another wholesale seller, and what I deem a wholesale seller is a seller that is literally selling you phones because they get them frequently, okay, every single day, all right, or every week. This person is just starting with me, and we're going to actually deep dive into these IMEIs they sent us, and we're going to compose an offer. Now, when we compose this offer, we want to make sure it's competitive. We want to make sure it's fast. We want to also make sure that we give direction. Now, if you're somebody that's looking to close deals really fast, this is the video for you. And you guys can utilize the buyer's phone flipping price list that you find on IamHustlersMindset.com to find out the market value of the devices people send you. Or you can also go ahead and get the Phone Flipping Academy, where you can actually have me walk you step by step. Right after your academy, you get one 30-minute session with me to where we're sitting down and I'm answering every single question you have. And that is one of my most favorite parts of this job, is me being able to sit down and talk to you guys, answer your questions, and make sure you're comfortable and make sure that you're set up for success. Now, with these wholesale sellers, they want the best prices and they're used to actually doing this. So they have multiple buyers. So you have to be able to make the best offer, but also walk away sometimes, all right? Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna answer right away, but what I do wanna do is I do wanna show you guys exactly how I've retrieved the information to then give them an offer, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna hop onto my MacBook, and we're going to then go ahead and go into SICW, and when we go into SICW, we're going to figure out what is the best offer we can give them. Now, why do we want to give them the best offer? Why do we want to make sure it's fast? And why do we want to make sure that we are literally treating these wholesale sellers like they matter? The reason is because they can make you so much money. You hear me? So much money. But it's all about you. The ball is in your court, and you have to make sure that you're putting yourself in the best position for success. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually screen record, and I'm going to go ahead and dive into SICW. Give me 1 second. New window. And we're going to dive into SICW. Now, what I do want to say as well is one of the best parts of dealing with wholesale sellers is knowing that if you do treat them right, and knowing that if you give them the right price, they're going to always give you phones, okay? And the best place to check IMEIs that I have seen is going to be SICW.com. And guys, I show you exactly how to use this and how to make it make literally money for you. Unlocking phones, be able to literally look up anything about a phone instantaneously with this, okay? All you have to do is check out that Phone Flipping Academy. Again, it's on I'm Hustler's Mindset. Now, because what I like to do, guys, is walk you through sections. I'm going to walk you through this. So if you're somebody that knows how to look up an IMEI, this is going to sort of kind of be redundant. But you might find I do something a little different. And I'm also going to break down exactly what I see in the IMEIs. So that is going to be really interesting. And I think it's going to help you a lot. All right. So now I'm going to the text. When I go to the text, I see this guy saying, "What's good, bro?" And then I see him saying, "iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple, 128. Okay, that's awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the computer. I'm then going to hit iPhone carrier simple. Okay, I do not want to go and do basic. I don't want to do any of these other ones. Matter of fact, we're going to do basic. Matter of fact, let's do basic because I have the person already saying that it's unlocked, and I'll be able to tell if it's unlocked from me really looking at the IMEI. But if the person didn't know what carrier was, then I would do iPhone carrier simple. They cost the same amount, which is 7 cents. So I'm looking at this person's IMEI right now. I see 3550675245662. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check the IMEI. And when we're checking this IMEI, we're looking for a couple things, okay? We're looking to see how long this device has on their warranty. We're also looking to see when was the estimated purchase date. We're also looking to see if this device is locked or unlocked. And we want to know what model it is, what gigabyte it is. I don't trust anything that I see in the picture. I rather trust the IMEI searcher every single time. All right, every single time. All right, so now it is showing iPhone 14 Pro Max Deep Purple 128 unlocked, sealed. So these are going to be money, okay? These are going to cost me money because they're unlocked. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max Deep Purple 128 is unlocked. It's going to be the estimated purchase date. It doesn't have one because that means this was really just purchased. So it doesn't have an estimated purchase date, which is great. It's not a demo unit. It's not a loaner device. The iCloud is off. I can tell that this device is sealed, okay? The blacklist is clean. So I am really up to buying this device, okay? So I'm good with buying this device. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to look at this other IMEI. So we already know we're good with one. We're going to definitely get that one. And now we're going to look at the next one. So 3, 5, 3, 4, 2, 7, 8, 1, 3, 8, 5, 2, 8, 1, 9. Okay, so we're looking up that IMEI. Now, I look up every single IMEI. I don't care how many times you deal with somebody. Always look up each IMEI because somebody can always try and catch you slipping and literally cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars just by making one mistake. This is unlocked as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to then go into the price list, okay? So I'm going to go into the price list and I'm going to actually see exactly what we can offer. All right, so I'm looking at the phone flip and buyer price list, and I'm also looking at SIGW. I see that it's an iPhone 14 Pro Max Gold 128. So, and I really need these phones. So I'm really trying to get them. I see that sealed is going to be $860. That's going to be my ceiling, sort of, kind of, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in, and I know I want to make at least $60 off of this, so I'm gonna offer him $800 each phone and see what he says, and hopefully he bites on that. He might not. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're going to say, okay, 800. Now I do want to say something too about this guy. All right, this person that I'm dealing with comes from another individual that used to sell me phones, but that person was not loyal. Now, when it comes to being a buyer, I am not going to lie. Your feelings do get involved because you may have somebody literally paying your bills, paying your rent, paying for you to go on vacation, and then they stop or they go and switch up to another buyer, and you'll get emotional and you'll say, forget them, right? I'm not working with them. But I'm gonna tell you something, money is green and money is money. Money doesn't have any feelings or emotions. So you gotta just do the work. But one thing I will say is, if I see that a buyer is consistently not on the same page with me, like he or she doesn't seem as if they are consistent, I will not give them the top offer. Instead of taking $50, I'll take $60, I'll take $70. And then if they try to negotiate with me, I won't really budge. Now, this particular buyer that this person is coming from, he sort of kind of sold me a whole bunch of used stuff last time, and it was all unsealed, and one didn't have the manual in it. So it was really bad business. But I have to sit there and really assess, do I want to do business with this person or somebody associated with them? And the answer is yes, because these are sealed. But I'm just letting you guys know you have to be cautious about who you're dealing with, who you're working with, because it's all going to come together full circle, and you have to make sure you're putting yourself in the best position so that you don't lose out on money. It's so important that you do not lose out on money, guys. And I wanted to bring that to you, and I will film a part 2 when he responds. And if he responds and we go through with the deal, that will be in part 2. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you so much. Make sure you guys join the Discord below. Make sure you guys go get your Phone Flipping Academy. Make sure you guys go get the mentorship. Most importantly, make sure you guys continue to make yourself 1% better. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.